to show room our friend in Sky Beach condominium. They rent a room in Thailand, Pattaya, in 39th floor. Every year they go to this place and rent. Later I will ask how much they pay for 1 month. It's monthly rent. Three bedroom. Hi Shaira.
Hello.
Room tour. We can show.
Big wind.
Yes, it's windy. Windy. They said not need aircon because wind always here. This is one bedroom. Have a separate balcony. It's a separate balcony. Aircon. Yes, you can see beach road. All this is pier. It's all good. Terminal 21. Our hotel also can see. Aircon. Shower also have. Of course, hot water have. Living room. Another bedroom. Also this bedroom have a balcony, separate balcony. Same size. You can see another balcony. CR. Also can go outside from here. Yes.
Scared me.
Yes, because it's another door. Living room, yes. Yes. First I want to show another room. This is another room. They use like for put. It's they not use this room. They not use. They say to us, if you want, we can live here, but we already order hotel room. That's why we not need. But if we go to Pattaya, we can stay in this room. Have separate CR. Oh, have bathtub also. This is it's all balcony. Shaira, you can see. Shaira, you remember last year I also take video. You used before in the Philippines because he bought in the Philippines. In the Philippines, I remember in Tiger Hotel.
Many Philippine lady remember something.
maybe
Beautiful times
with you.
when I arrived.
What is Nicholas? Can you explain what is this? It's for your hobby, or for sale,
It's for business.
for your business. Because Nicholas have shop in Europe, he live in Latvia. Can you show what it's also for your business?
No, it's toothpaste.
Ah.
Toothpaste.
Ah, you also buy in Thailand and sell in Europe,
I will bring to Europe, yes.
and you sell in your shop.
Sometime myself, sometime people order it already. I just bring.
And I see
Yes.
toothpaste. How much you pay for this one? About
15 baht.
about 15 baht.
Yes. If you buy more, then normally in shop 20, 25.
So people popular uses,
Yes.
very popular. We
Clean,
can.
very good clean too.
Oh, we can buy also Shira this one. Where you buy? In Nakloa or in
The shop have.
any shop have? Okay. Shira, can you take picture and we can buy same? We can try.
But you don't have luggage. Place.
No, it's not so heavy. We don't have luggage, but we can buy 2 pieces only.
I will bring without box
Ah.
because it's heavy.
So Nicholas have a shop in Latvia and he sell this one. He sell also in the Thailand. This is USSR, from USSR. You can see it's USSR.
Why you come to Thailand?
It's all, it's original. From Russian army. I don't know how to say in the English. In Russian say pilotka.
It
Pilotka.
is yes, but it was made in 1977 in Ukraine.
Ukraine. This
Yes.
is from Ukraine.
It's made in
Yeah,
Ukraine.
Yes, Ukraine.
Ukraine factory.
From Ukraine factory to USSR. Say for not for sale, of course. And this I don't know. I know this is gas mask. This is a gas mask. He sell also gas mask. From
Oh, a little.
oh, so many you bought.
Yes, because I have many teeth.
Good. Yura also from Latvia. It's ex-USSR. That's why, yeah.
I'm student.
Yeah, Yura is student. Shira, you know. It's our best friend, Yura. You know, Yura always go to the Philippines before. Yura, can you explain why you not go to the Philippines right now? For you, I know better Thailand, but Philippines for you not comfortable right now.
Same, Thailand.
Same.
Same Philippines.
Same Philippines.
Yes, yes.
But in the Philippines only, you next time maybe go to the Philippines. So just to skip with 2 years or 3 years. How many years you not been in the Philippines?
Before COVID,
Before COVID, it's about maybe
2019.
4 years ago. 4 years ago you been.
2019.
Yes, yes.
this Russia's ladies, woman days. This is for you, from us.
Maybe in the Philippines,
Lady days today.
8 March.
Yeah.
lady days.
Aha, бляха.
No, in Russia it's March 8. It's lady, woman, woman. Yeah, Women's Day. But in Russia, February 23, it's for guys.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because it's for Army Day in Russia. February 23.
Today not army. Today woman.
It's my day.
Today it's Woman Day. In maybe international also, I don't know. But
Oh,
in
it's
Russia,
not the same.
It means any lady who have boyfriend can ask anything from him. He buy what you like, gold or new car or something like this.
new car.
Really?
Yeah. If this man, if you have boyfriend cannot say no.
Oh.
If you like, buy. But maybe no have money. No, I don't know. It's second question.
No, Georgi.
Georgie don't have, what is this? Girlfriend.
Georgi have many
Oh
girlfriends.
yes, so many.
So because he moved from Philippines, because he have many girlfriends.
Yes, that's why he moved from the Philippines. What in this
This
day?
is why.
Now you know, Shaira.
So
In
you-
advance, he leave Philippines because in the Philippines, Georgi
8
have so many.
Not forget.
March.
If you open Google, you can write 8 March. You can see.
Yes, now your computer you can check.
I can my phone in can.
Your phone small. Like you.
What?
Small, small. You small? Small.
Said small.
Yes, and computer.
Nicholas right here. If girl come to his place, to his apartment, he always say to girl, write your body like here in the picture. That's why he any girl. Shaira, you can draw also here. It's visitors. All visitors need to draw.
Yes.
Yeah, you
do
can.
something right.
You can write. Okay, okay.
How you do? You can do painting, no, like people. How you painting?
You draw your. You.
What I need to draw?
No, same. For example, this.
Not same. How you see? How you painting?
Yes, you draw. Okay, sit and draw, Shaira.
But not so little bit like this size.
Here?
Up to you.
Oh, here. Better I will put only the name.
No, not only name.
no.
You draw here your
You
here
see,
and in Tagalog.
I painting
something.
like this. Some people painting like this. Some people painting. You painting also different. It's interesting for collection. For someone, how you
Okay, I will do it next week.
Now.
Because
next year?
no, next week. Next week.
No, please, Shaira, you
Not
can.
right now.
Подожди, пацаны. You sit and thinking.
Yes,
then
I'm
later.
thinking.
Okay.
I don't know how to use.